Ready to upgrade your Elitech vacuum pump? Follow these simple steps to ensure a smooth update process. Step 1. Download and install the latest version of the Elitech Tools app. If you've already installed a previous version, please uninstall and reinstall the app. Step 2. Enable Bluetooth. Open the app and search for your device. Step 3. Once connected, go to the device settings and select Firmware Upgrade. If a new version is available, you'll see a prompt. Step 4. Click Confirm to begin the update. The process will take approximately 30 to 40 minutes.
Important: during the OTA update, do not operate the vacuum pump. Also, avoid switching apps or interrupting the update. Doing so may cause the pump to malfunction.
Once the upgrade is complete, wait for the pump to restart. It may take up to 5 minutes for the screen to automatically turn back on. And that's it. Your vacuum pump is now successfully upgraded and ready for use.